Okay, let me take you through each module like subtotal, the pivot table introductions, the pivot table analysis, introductions to slices, assignment, and interactive dashboard demo. Okay, so end of this sessions. So I'm going to, because I know that you people are going to invest your own time and effort for next 1.5 hours with me. For that, my responsibility to giving you, as a return of investment, like in terms of knowledge. So end of the sessions, you're going to build along like this. And let me open the screenshot. Can you able to see the screenshot, right? So this is an interactive dashboard. How we can connect each slicer with multiple interaction, with various criteria, with multiple, dashboards. How we can do this. I'm just going to show you. Let me close it. So before that, I'm just going to take you through the few tips and tricks, as a part of initial interface, Excel interfaces. So now what you have to do is, as soon as you open Excel file, the very first thing is you just go to here, file, and click on this more and options. Under options, you can see Excel options dialog box, right? Under that, you can see in the left side, the various tabs here, general, format, data, proving, saves, and all. And click on the save. In save, you can see one field called save auto recover information every 10 minutes, because I made it as one. Can you able to see this? Every 10 minutes. Could you please respond back?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. You just make it as, instead of 10, make it 1. The reason I'm telling you, okay, make it 1. Why? Because Excel by default, it will give you 10 minutes, maximum 120 minutes. But what we have to do is make it 1, because we have tendency, like, while doing the work, any work or task, particular task in Excel, by mistake, if we close this file without saving it, right, data has to be recovered. So that purpose only, Excel is, made some build some features, like if you make it 1 minute, system itself by default, save every 1 minute the data which we are typing here. For example, if I'm typing something like ABC, see, so after 1 minute, it automatically, Excel itself will save into one particular temporary folder. So how are we going to recover? I'll show you. For example, go to this file tab, go to more and options and save. Here you can see that one, right? The 1 minute, and below that one path is here. In this path, we can recover that file which we lost due to the unsaved data. Just cancel it, go to file again, click on open. As soon as click on this open, you can see one option is called recover unsaved workbook. As soon as you click on it, you can see the list of the unsaved data which have been closed, without closing it, without saving it. These are the list of files. From here, you can recover it. That's the very first thing you have to do it right away, in case if you're sitting in front of your system. You want me to repeat it?
Yeah, please, if you can.
Yeah, go to file, more, options. You can see one dialog box, right? From here, click on the save options, save tab. Here you can see save auto recover information every, make it 1 instead of 10. By default, every system will show 10 minutes and make it 1. And after that, if you want to recover that file which you lost, go to file again and click on this open, and you can see the small options called recover unsaved workbook. Click on it, and from here you can directly open it and save it. These are the list of files which I close it without saving it. Got it? I hope you guys are, everybody's following me, right?
Yeah, sure.
You said go to open and then you see recover files.
Yeah, go to file. After that, open, and you can see recovered unsaved workbooks, right?
Where is that?
Able to see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just open it. From there, you can see the list of file which is closed without saving it. But Excel by default, system will set up by default as a 10 minutes. We have to make it as 1 minute. For that, go to more and options. Instead of here under save, instead of here, you can make it 1 minute. Don't do the 10 minutes. Okay. Maximum we can make it 120. It won't allow 121 minutes. But no use of by putting 120 minutes and make it 1 minute and okay it. Okay. Got it? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. And you have your own favorite phone and you have your own favorite font size and all right. So for that, for example, by default, if I open this file, this is a new file. That's the reason it's showing as book 1, right? So here you can see the font style is Calibri and size is 11. So for example, if you want to make it your own file, whenever you open this particular Excel file, it has to show, for example, your favorite font is in the Harmony. So you have to make it, and your favorite font size is 12. That case, you have to set up this options permanently. For that purpose, you have to go to File and click on More Options. By default, in general, tab under General tab, you can see when creating new workbook, you can set up next. Use this the default font. You can select, and font size also you can select. All right, and make it okay. And after okay, if you open new file, and by default it will show instead of Calibri that the style which you opted here, and also the size is opted here. Okay, and in case, for example, if anyone has asked you which Excel file and which Excel version are you using for, Excel is start from 1986 onwards with the different versions, like how the Android and iOS is upgrading. Now my Excel version is 2019. In case if somebody asks you which Excel version are you using, so that case you just go to File, and here you can see Account, right? Account. Just click on it. You can see here in this part 2019. Right? And in this case, why I'm telling this is back to 2007. I mean, after 2002, after 2003 and 2007, 2010, and later on 13, 16. Now it's 2019 and Office 365. That's the latest versions. And Microsoft now is planning for introducing new versions into the 2022. Okay, I just saw one article. So here you can see whenever you open one Excel file, in case if your version is post 2007, by default it will show one Excel tab. This is called tab or sheet. Every workbook, every Excel workbook carried multiple sheets. So in this case, after 2007 onwards, by default it will show single worksheet. And earlier, back to 2007, by default it will show 3 worksheet. In case if you want to make it as the 5 worksheet whenever you open by default, that case go to File again. Here you can see the account, more and options, and this here same area you can see include this many sheets. I make it 1. That's the reason it's showing them 1, right? So make it 2, 3, how much you want. So maximum 255 tab or sheet including in single workbook. Okay. And these are and these are things which call the tabs. And under each tab we have list of groups, like for example, I just click on this home tab. People used to call it as options, features, tool. It's not like that's a proper terminology. This is tab, home, insert, page level. These are the list of tabs. Under each tab there are a list of categories like clipboard, the font, alignment. These are list of categories, and each categories are segregated in vertical lines. See here, right? Within that vertical lines, the list of ribbons you can see. This is called ribbons or command buttons. Okay, so in case while doing some presentations in front of some meeting or high-level management, if you want to, this is the area where you want to present, right? I mean, all the result will appear here. In case if you want to hide it, this area, this toolbar or tab area, you have to just simply click this options, and you can see auto hide ribbon. You just click on it. As soon as you just click on it, you can see that list of that complete spreadsheet is pop up here, and all other tools and tabs and ribbons has been hidden here. If you want to visible, I mean, if you want to make it visible again, just click on this and show tabs and commands here. Okay, so this is just an interface sessions. I just want to make it a few basic tips and tricks and all. And again, and here you can see that by default, as I said, a sheet one, right? So in case if I just expanding multiple sheets live by clicking this option, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, see here, I'm just giving name as case UK. Qatar and India and UAE. Multiple sheets is here. So this is a very small set of sheets. In case if you build up 100, more than 100 or 150 sheets, if you want to navigate from one sheet to another sheet, like if you want to navigate from KSA to the sheet UAE, I can directly click here, right? In case you build multiple sheets, like more than 100 sheets, because I only told you that one single file Excel will carry almost 255 sheets in single workbook. That case, what you have to do is, you just, this area you can see, right, the blank area, just simply right click here, and as soon as you right click, you can see list of tabs or sheets which we already built up. So as soon as you click on one, but for example, if I want to go to TNZ, Tanzania, just simply type in your keyboard TNZ. See, it's automatically is navigated, right? So no need to scroll down here. You just type based on the spelling there, so it automatically navigate from current sheet to that particular sheet. Okay, so I'm just closing this. These are the few steps I just want to make sure that. And also since you're already familiar with the Excel, right, this is column and this is rows, right? And almost we have if you press control down arrow, you can see almost 10,48,576 row has been, we have the capacity on in this particular version. After 2003, Excel has built up almost 10,48,576 rows. And if you click on control right arrow, you can see almost 8 to SFT, almost 16,000 column has been, Excel has been initiated after 2003 versions. Okay, that much of data we can occupy here. So this is column and this is rows. Okay, why I'm telling is this is most important, because while taking that pivot table session, we should know what is column and what is rows. All right, I'm just closing it. Could you please open that file which I sent across to you, this name called subtotal? Subtotal. Once you open the sheet, just let me know. Open it.
Yeah.
All right. Let me start with some case studies. Like this is just an example. Just assume that this is at sales report of one particular financial year. Here you can see the quarter, zone, the salesperson name, and the category, the type of that particular the category, and the type, payment type, the mode of payment which customer has been made, maybe the cash or check or credit card, and unit price and quantity and total. Okay, first I will show you how it's going to work, how it's going to get the result. After that, we'll do together with different scenarios. For example, I'm working with in a sales team, and suddenly my manager called me telling that I just want to give the presentations about that this report in different prospect, in different aspects, like on the basis of salesperson, on the basis of type of mode of payment, and on the basis of quarter. So for example, if I want to give some presentation like on the basis of salesperson, how much and how many revenue has been generated, how many quantity has been sold. In this case, it's very mixture, right? You can see salesperson John Cortez has been already built up one transaction here. Again, he has been repeated here. Maybe the first one is sold east and the quarter one, and second one is quarter two, he has been sold, and again he has repeating quarter four. But in this way, 5%, it's not give some good impression, right? So that's the reason we are using one options called subtotal. So what we have to do is, first we need to select all. So for that, usually people used to select like this, right? Don't do like this. It's very shortcut key, I'm telling you. Within that, this is data, right? Within this data, just select one particular cell, and after that just click on Control A. As soon as you click on Control A, this entire data set has been selected. If you click again Control A, and the sheet has been selected. But in this case, we need to select only this set of data. So just selecting this and Control A. After that, what was my criteria? I mean, what my manager has been told me. Based on salesperson, I just want to present how much revenue has been generated and how much quantity has been sold, right? So first I need to select this set of data. After that, go to this data tab and click on this sort and sort by salesperson, right? Salesperson, because on the salesperson only, I just want to generate the report, and click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, this all the salesperson details has been generated in ascending order, right? But in this case, if I show this to my manager, some presentations model, it won't give some good impression, because it will only show that ascending order, but still it's not getting that total sum value in a total particular revenue has been generated against respective salesperson. That again, after that, this is a very first step. I need to sort it out on salesperson wise. After that, select again, go to data, and end of this outline group, click on the subtotal, and here you can see at each changes in drop down, select salesperson again, and sum, because we need to get the sum value of the both, right? And add subtotal to quantity and total. Just click on it. As soon as I click on OK, because I'm not clicking OK, just look at this area, okay? So as soon as I click on OK, you can see 1, 2, 3, and different heading has been, a different tab has been generated. And now we are in third tab. You can see Andrew's total quantity and total revenue. And next one, ANA total 650. And this is a very neat format. But in this case, manager is telling that, I mean, that audience telling that the people are sitting in front of while taking presentation. We don't want to show like this. We just want to show only that, salesperson wise. That case, just click on this second tab. As soon as you click on the second tab, you can see a list of salesperson name and respective quantity and revenue. In this case, somebody asked me, and Laura Gosani's totals only 37 quantity. I mean, the quantity 37, and she has been generated only $864. So I just want to see, her contribution in terms of different transaction. That case, just click on this plus icon against this Laura. As soon as I click on this, you can see, okay, Laura, this much of transactions has been made against respective zone wise. Again, if I click on this very first one, Andrew's details has been generated here, right? I'm just minimizing. And very first tab is all about grand total. If I want to back to normal, you just go to the third one and click on any cell and go to subtotal and remove all. Can we do it together now for next set of criteria? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, AlFan.
Yeah. Okay. You just select first complete set of database. After that, so this time I just want to generate the report based on the zone wise. Okay. So select all, go to data, click on sort, and sort by select zone, and I click on OK. And after that, go to subtotal, and this time we are generating report on the basis of zone, right? And drop down zone, and this some functions we need to apply, and quantity and total I already ticked, and OK. Now this time you can see on the basis of zone wise the details has been generated. See here, if I click on this second one, you can see east total and north and south and west. If you want to expand this, just click on this icon for north. And if I click on this, again, the south has been expanded. Let me know if you want me to repeat it again.
Actually, AlFan, I don't have that subtotal option because I'm using Windows 10.
Okay, but it should be there under data tab. Outline group is there, no?
I'm not able to find it. Under data tab, there is no option here.
Under data tab, outline group is there, no? No. Which Excel version is using? It's nowhere connected to Windows version. It's up to your Excel versions.
Under data types, it is not there.
It's not there, is it? Anybody is facing any issues? Others? Hello? I feel most of the people are connected through mobile, I guess, right? Hello? Can somebody respond, please? You didn't got it, Priya?
No, AlFan.
Okay, we'll see that. Okay. So I'm just closing this.
Yeah, okay.
Next one is pivotable introductions. The stop limit. Okay. The pivot means the center point. So here what we have to do is we need to summarize and classify data and put it in one center point. So for example, you can see so small database right here. So almost if you check 1,000 line items is there. So if I want to, see that, for example, on the basis of geographic area, how much revenue has been generated, because here we can see Australia, US, Asia and Europe. There's only four, geographic areas there. So out of that, we need to get, total revenue of the respective geographical area in single point, I mean the center point, by summarizing and classifying this report. How we can do it? That's the reason we are using the pivot table options. Okay. Before that, I just want to show something. Shripriya, that issues we can sit end of the session. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
We can fix it. Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Okay, no issues.
So this case, we can see that this is that set of rows, right? These are rows, and this is columns. This is columns, right? And this here only we need to generate the values, and this is filtering. Okay, this four options we should, we should understand this four options purpose. Then only we can make sure that that report we are generating through the pivot tables are correct. First, we should make sure that what is these four options. One is rows, and second one is columns, and this one is fourth one, third one is filter, and this one is values in the sense here only we need to result has been generated. For example, if we want to, this is a geography, list of geography, I'm just putting here, yeah, and here I'm just putting list of product, Yeah. Yeah. And in this case, if I want to, this is just imagine that this is just a center point, and we just want to classify one report and send across to your manager in this within this template. This case, we need to calculate Australia under Australia against software product, how much generated, revenue has been generated. It is very difficult to, calculate from this point, especially if you have a large set of data, right? That case, we need to use the pivot table. So here we occupy the list of geographical area row wise, and the list of product we occupy in column wise. And this here only we need to generate that result, I mean the values. And this case, for example, if I give some filter, like if I put Australia, only Australia has to be generated. If I put US has to be generated. This is called the filter options. Okay, so just moving to that topic. So for building the pivot table, first we have to do is just select any one of that cell. After that, press Control T. Okay, it's converted to Control T, I mean table, and go to Insert the pivot table. And here you can see one window called Create Pivot Table. First section is select a pivot table or range. The data we need to pick up. I mean, since it's already generated, this is already showing, right? And second one is choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. So this report, because the result where you want to generate, either this existing sheet or different sheet. So here Excel itself suggesting that it's better to place the new worksheet, because if you put this existing sheet, the result, the data, the pivot table will, the congested with the original data. So that case, I'm just opting this new worksheet. And as soon as I click on OK, so another new tab has been generated here, right? Here, original data is already here. And this is the new sheet, which is showing the pivotable template, right? In this template, by default, Excel will show in this format. So we need to make sure that it has to be converted to classical mode. For that, just place this cursor over here, right click, the pivotable options, display, and classic pivotable. As soon as click on this classic pivotable, and just before, as I show you like this row wise, column wise, filter, I mean the filter wise, and that, value wise, all this, the same similar template has been generated here. You can see the value and row wise and column wise and the filter options, right? So here what we have to do, and geography, I need to place it under row wise. So just click on this. This is a pivotable fields. All this field is set of database. So I'm just dragging here by using the mouse. See, geography, I'm just dragging it. Set of database, I'm moving and place it here. So list of database has been generated here. And list of product, I'm just choosing and place it under column. Okay, so here you can see similar way, right? See, software list of products has been placed manually here in column wise, and list of geography wise, place it manually in row wise. So here similar way, pivot table itself automatically it has been generated. And after that, and here finally, here I need to generate the report, I mean the values, right? Here values is revenue. So just move this revenue and put it here. Automatically, all those value which has been generated under respective geography against respective products. And again, what's the role of this thing? I mean, filter area. You just click on this sales rep name and put it filter area or here. And if I select Bob, I mean, this guy is, if I opt this guy and if I click on OK, only Bob related, the sales has been generated. If you want to select multiple salesperson and click on this, select multiple items, and Bob and Joy has been selected, and I just click on OK. It has been generated. I'm just deleting whoever doing, just let's do together. Sripriya, are you doing or?
Yes, AlFan, I got it.
Again, I'll show you. First, we need to convert it to table, Control T. After that, just select any of the cell, go to Insert, Pivot Table, and OK. As soon as click on OK, the new sheet has been generated. After that, this template, existing template, has to be converted to classical mode. For that, just place the cursor over here, right click, pivot table options, display, and select this option, classic pivot table layout. I just click on it and OK. And as soon as you convert to classic pivot table options, you can see this type of template. After that, trying to move geographical area here, or in this time, I'm just moving here, column wise. I put it here. And product wise, I'm just moving here, row wise here. And revenue, I'm just putting here, values either here or here. You can see similar box only here is showing filter, column, row, values, right? I'm putting here. And sales rep name, I'm just place it here.
Done, AlFan. Thank you.
Okay. After that, in case if you want to create, another pivot table, don't do the same step again. What you have to do is just click on this and go to design, or sorry, just click on this, go to pivot table analysis tab. Some version will show the options. I don't know which options it's showing to you. Pivot table analysis. After that, you can see the actions group here, and actions group you can see select, and click on this entire pivot table. It gets selected, right? Got selected.
Yeah.
And copy it and paste it somewhere. I mean, make it here. Okay. So as soon as you paste it here, you can see another pivot table has been generated. What you have to do is just select here, second one, and just untick it. And next set of criteria you can build up here. Like for example, the product wise, I just putting the column wise, and sales rep name I'm just putting row wise, and revenue I'm putting here like this. See, right? You getting it?
AlFan, I got it.
And after that, if you want to connect this two pivot table with the slicer, I'll show you. Go to insert. First, let me generate one chart for this. Go to insert and click on any of the chart here, the pie chart or bar chart, and just putting here. And second one, I'm just clicking this and go to insert and pivot chart. Also, this I'm just opening the line chart here. This. The two chart has been generated, right? And Excel has been introduced one exclusive filter called the slicer, which has been introduced since 2013 version onwards. So just select any one of this pivot tables, and after that go to pivot table analysis. In this pivot table, every pivot table has their own name. By default, show pivot table 2 here, and I'm just making in this area report 1, and selecting here second report pivot table and report 2. Okay, this is report 1 and report 2. So why I'm rename it, I'll tell you. And after that, again select report 1 pivot table and go to pivot table analysis. Here you can see under filter group, insert slicer, right? Just click on it. And here, for example, I'm just selecting geography. As soon as I click on this and click on OK, you can see one window has been appeared by listing list of geography, right? And I'm splitting into, this is by default show the single column in vertically, make it 3 here in the sections, button sections. And if I select this, I mean, if I click on this, Asia, and Australia. Only this pivot table will, change it. You can see that this table and this graph, this will not change it. Canada and Europe, US. But our purpose is we need to interconnect with multiple pivot table with single click. How we can do it? So for that purpose only, under this slicer and just right click here, you can see report connections. Just click on it. As soon as you select this report connections, right, and you can see report one has been already ticked because we selected slicer by selecting this particular pivot table. That's called report one. And this is the second one. We need to tick it and click on OK. After that, if I select one particular geography, automatically the both report slicer has been internally changed, right? Like this. You want me to follow? If you want, I can repeat it again.
Yeah, just repeat me 1 second.
Yeah, sure. I mean, from slicer point or
That was only the last option.
last options. Okay. Here I'm just inserting one slicer, pivot table, and insert slicer. I'm just selecting geography and click on OK. Okay. As soon as I click on OK, you can see list of slicer has been generated under geographical area. If I select this, only this part, the report one will change it, right? But I just want to interconnect with multiple report which has been already generated. For that, just move the cursor over here, place it in existing slicer, right click, you can see report connection. Can you able to see it? Report connections. Report connections. Hello.
Yeah, AlFan, please go ahead.
Yeah, report connections, and click on report 2 and click on OK. Now see, this report has been, respective report has been generated, right? You're getting it? So could you please trying to build one more report like this and build it in the, build it such a way that by connecting this geographic area, you can choose your own criteria.
Yeah, just trying it.
Yeah.
AlFan, I have done till that pivot analyze.
Yeah. Okay. After that, see, after that, go to You can see the slicer, right? Insert slicer. And geography.
Slicer, can you just show me the option? Where should I go?
Yeah, here you can see the filter. Under filter group, you can see insert slicer.
Under filter.
Yeah.
Insert slicer. No, I don't have this option.
Which version you're using? Can you just check?
I got it. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And geography.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
And click on OK. You can see list of options, right?
Yes.
Canada, right?
Yeah.
From there, you just place the mouse over here. Right click. Report connections. Report to. I mean, you already built up the report, list of report, right? If you already rename it, you can see that report name. You can see this.
Report connections.
Yeah.
Okay.
And OK. Can you just try now?
Yeah.
Getting it?
Yeah, getting it.
Right. Okay. I think you only using the system restore, or I guess using, mobile, I guess.
Okay.
I think.
Actually, I'm also using the mobile only, but I opened my laptop and I was
How
opened
about
Excel.
Mr. Dillu PJ using system or mobile? Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I'm just asking the other guy. Sanjay sir, hello. Hello. People are unmute, I guess. Right here. Okay. This one actually, what happened now, Shripriya? This session, we should, open the system and instantly practice. Then only people can understand.
Yeah, I'm doing in laptop only.
Yeah, no, I'm telling.
Yeah,
because initially participants was, 8 to 9. Now it's reduced to 5 because they get to know that. Otherwise, it will get bored, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because we should instantly practice. That's the reason I sent across that worksheet through WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine. Okay, no issues.
Yeah.
I will also share to some more members for the next week session.
Yeah, no issue. Right.
So till this, can we end up for this?
I think I got
for today?
Okay. Sorry?
Can we end this for today?
This one is almost over.
Yeah, okay.
No issue, because I just want to make you understand the importance of slicer, how we can build up that dashboards and all.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the reason. Yes, because last week I just conducted a session in Tanzania. Out of 68 people was registered and 32 people was there, and 28 people. Yes, the few people again joined the sessions. Yeah, that was quite interesting. That's basic to advanced level. This is the dashboard session now. MIS report. For that, we should have a in-hand experience while taking session. Otherwise, no use.
Yes.
You understood, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise,
it's very helpful actually for the reporting part.
Sorry?
It was very helpful for the reporting part.
Yeah. So this is great. So okay, fine. What you have to do is next one. Can you just open that file, pivotable analysis? Open, right?
Pivotable analyze.
Yeah. With the data now.
Okay.
Yeah. here, you can see the date, right? So in the
Yes.
same way, I just want to make the difference between date and text. In this case, I just included only date. Why I'm telling is it's quite interesting things. I just selected this and make it table format. After that, go to insert the pivot table. Click on OK. As soon as click on OK,
What is the table format shortcut which you used?
Control T, Control T,
Control?
Control T, T for tiger.
Uh,
Also, you can use, go to insert. You can see the table here.
yeah, got it.
Yeah.
No, I just want to know the shortcut. Option.
Okay.
Fine.
And
Okay.
right click here, the pivot table options, and display classic pivot table, and OK it. Okay. After that, I'm just moving the date over here. You can see this like this. You're getting.
1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. Date should be in the rows, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, revenue.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just dragging it here.
Okay.
And in this case, I don't want to see like this. I don't want to present such a way. I just want to present like, okay, 2013 to 14, how much total? How many, how much, revenue has been generated. That case, we need to group it. For that, just click, select any one of the cell, right click, and click on this group. After that, group. Group.
Right click on group. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
After
There
that,
years.
select days, only days.
Only days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, select number of days as, make it as 150.
Okay.
Click on OK. See, you understood the logic.
Yes, understood.
Yeah. And again, if you want to make it like a group, like only if you want to generate only the quarter and the year. So again, here go to group, and after that, quarter and years I selected, right? And I just click on OK. See, such a way it has been built up.
Years you are telling.
Yeah, years and quarter.
Years and
quarter wise.
Quarter wise. Okay. Yes, got it.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
And again, you can insert the respective dashboard and build up such a way.
Insert
dashboard.
Dashboard.
Any dashboard. I mean, any chart you can insert.
Yeah.
Within that, you can see one filter options, right? 2013 I just selected, and date we can select under this. See here, right?
Where is that option?
Click here. See, filter options you are getting.
Fine. Okay. Yeah, got it.
And next one. Okay. And the next one I show you, the report. This one I don't think so. I just share with you guys. This one, interactive dashboard. No, right?
No. Interactive dashboard is not shared, I guess.
What I do is, I'll share with you guys this dashboard. Based on that, could you please try to extract the report as an assignment?
Sure.
Yeah. So, okay, fine. So this is a list of tables which I created. Based on that, I built up the dashboard here. Either you can, put that same dashboard and same here, or else you can cut and copy to next sheet.
Sure.
Yeah.
We'll try. Yeah.
The way we can build up.
Please share me the recording also, AlFan, if possible.
Yeah, I'll share. Send that close to you. That's it.
Yeah.
I don't